you guys a tour of the new sewing room space while it's empty, so you can see the process of it really coming to life. So this is the space. As you can see, it is a beautiful, well-lit, half octagon kind of room. It's about 13 by 13 at its longest point, 13 feet by 13 feet. This window is brand new. It is a big picture window where my sewing machine will sit. If you subscribe to my monthly newsletter, you will remember my proposed layout for this room. So going by that, I'm going to kind of show you guys where everything is actually going to go. So let me get behind the camera for a second. Okay, so one of my favorite things about this room is that it has a door to the outside. And that just goes out to our front porch, which is a hot mess right now. But it's really going to be great when I have clients over so that they can come right into the studio without having to walk through the entire house. So this wall we'll start with is where I'm going to put shelving all along here for fabric storage, and it's going to be so awesome. I'm very excited about that. I want to take it as high as I can go. I think we're going to do it right onto the wall. And then over here, I'm going to have a garment rack for current projects, client work, and stuff like that. This is my beautiful window. It has a screen door, so on a nice day, I'll just be able to leave it open and have a screen door out to my porch, which is so awesome. And I can't wait for that. Going around, you can see these little half walls here. So this little half wall is where I plan to have those two IKEA Alex drawers, the tall ones that have 9 drawers each for major organization of of sewing supplies, thread, embroidery thread, different tools, elastics, zippers, all that kind of stuff is all going to go in storage there, and I'll probably use the top of the shelf of the drawers for some storage as well. Again, this is where my sewing machine is going to sit, and I have this beautiful view to look out on every day. Sometimes we can see cows in the pasture next to us, which is really exciting. And then moving around the room. So on this wall, I think I'm going to put my pegboard, assuming it fits, and a small table with hopefully my serger and blind stitch machine, so I can roll seamlessly back and forth between those two from my other machine to this machine. I might have another little thread organizer on the wall on either side of the big window, but my big pegboard I think is going to go above here. And then this wall I'm going to kind of leave open for walking space because I am going to have a table in the middle of the room. So I'm hoping that my big bulletin board will fit here. I've measured it, it's kind of tight, so I might have to turn it and do it up and down instead of side to side. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm sure once I get in, I'll be moving it around a lot more. So this is another nice big window. I have 3 light sources on all 3 sides of this room. So it's going to be awesome for taking pictures and making videos for you guys. Moving over here to this corner, I'm going to try not to fill this up too much with any furniture. I think I'm going to do a little gallery corner right here with some of my artwork and stuff like that. And then coming into the room, I have these 2 beautiful French doors, which I love. This big opening, and I have a really fun idea. I think I'm going to, so it's kind of weird because the doors are not centered on the wall, which is a little bit annoying. But I'm going to run a curtain rod across the whole top that I can swing shut and will create a full backdrop here for photo taking, and my table will be able to roll out of the way, so I'll have a nice big open space for taking pictures and making videos. I'm so excited about that part. I'm not sure if I'll have 2 curtains that meet in the middle or one big curtain that gets pushed all the way over here. I think that's what I'll do, so that way it's like solid across, and then when it's open it can just all be on one side. And then I can push it behind my garment rack, which will be right here, which is on wheels. So that I think is one of my favorite parts because I have light coming from all 3 directions, so it's really well lit and beautiful. Right now it's not, but... So let me do another quick walk around. This is the door that goes into the house, off the house. Coming around, that's where the garment rack is going, the door to the front porch where my clients can come in, wall with fabric storage, wall with drawers, big window with a view out to our front yard for the sewing machine, small wall with the serger and the pegboard, wall with the bulletin board, empty space, gallery wall over here, and in the middle of it all is going to be my cutting table. As you can see, I already got my husband to put in a plug so that I can have my ironing board and cutting table in one. Very, very excited about that feature. And that is the current studio space. I'm super excited about it. I can't really move forward with like the shelves or anything until we get the walls and the floors finished, which will hopefully be happening sometime soon, I don't know. But I just thought it would be fun to take you guys on a journey of where it is now versus where it is going. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, be sure to subscribe because all this year I'm going to be taking you on the journey of building my dream studio space, and I will be linking to the previous newsletters in there so you don't miss any of the content before that. And if you are subscribed to my newsletter, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store next month for the Designing the Studio series. And for all of my YouTube subscribers, I will see